Brian back here. I wanted to get a video out here today on bone. It looks like it might be wanting to start to move here. Okay, so you're gonna take a look at the RSIs here, getting some green volume coming in here, some buyers stepping in the market. So we obviously need that to push prices up. So it's good to see this. This on the 4 hour. Let's put it on the daily here. A little bit of volume, nothing major, that's for sure, but be nice to see that step up. All right, so let's take a real quick look at the rest of the market, and then we'll take a look at that chart. A lot of stuff turning green. Doge, that thing looks like that should be going up, you know, not a lot higher, but definitely higher. Maker, kaspa starting to suck back some of that loss there. It looks like it bottomed out. Heading for a fifth and final wave there before correction. Yeah, a lot of stuff out there turning green. All right, so let's get back to these charts real quick. I want to show you just a couple things here. Got Bitcoin dominance still having that breakdown of that level. You can see it right here. It's just peaking right down below there. And the main reason for this is that weekly RSI. Look at it just rolling right over here. If you can bear with me a second, I want to get these dots off the screen there. That's from using the highlighter and not right clicking. I apologize, but it's driving me crazy right now. Let's get them out of there. There we go. Alright, but you can see it's starting to lose that level right there, right here. Just wicking down below there. Now if we go back through here, the bull run of 2021, right back here is what kicked it off. Right here in October of 2021, this thing just massively plummeted a lot. Okay, if you take it from the top, we're not going to get exact, but to the bottom, you know, 17% in Bitcoin dominance. That's massive. And then in June, we had a little altcoin pop there. You can see right there that other big loss here ended up being right down the bottom, almost 19%. So we get plummets like that in Bitcoin dominance. It can really set the altcoins off. So far from this top here, we are down. If you take it right from the top, we're only down almost 5% right now. Okay, so this thing would really have to start plummeting for the altcoins to have a nice run. That's what you want to see there with this weekly coming down. The monthly is right at the top. All right, so we'll see what happens with Bitcoin dominance here. Right down here is a major support level, but it's got a ways to go to get to that. This is down at 46.8. Bitcoin itself is it's starting to move today. We zoom in here on the 4 hour, you can see it peeking its head right out of that resistance there. Okay, it's on the 4 hour, it's heading up. The 8 hour RSI is just about at the top. Look how it's just playing games here. 12 hour is still heading up, and the daily just starting up. All right, so this could turn out to be a pretty decent run for Bitcoin if it ever gets going. All right, we talked yesterday. It's been on the floor here since July 17th. Right down at the bottom, all zeros there. So just starting up here. We'll see. We need Bitcoin to have a breakout. All right, let's go back to bone here. All right, you can see that daily RSI. Beautiful. It's still heading straight up there. It's at an 85 and a 56. The weekly still at the top there, like we talked about. The 12 hour just getting to the top. The 8 hours at the top, but it's trying to flip. You can see it's trying to flip back over. It's trying to flip back bullish. So looks like it's trying to make a move here, and the 4 hours turning back up. So keep your eye on bone. Looks like this thing is trying to make a push for that $1.44 level next, trying to break it. All right, thank you so much, guys. I'll talk to you soon. If we break that $1.40, call it $1.45. Watch for the $1.48. That's the next major resistance area. All right, thanks a lot, guys. I'll talk to you soon.